Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Hands on Nuggets, where we share life-size experiences with you. I've already made a detailed video about how to apply for DMV Real ID and how to schedule your appointment. Do check it out. Today, I'll be sharing my experience about visiting DMV office in Santa Clara. So for that, we had already taken our appointment to visit the DMV office. So as usual, we reached the DMV office on scheduled time. And when we entered the DMV office, there were two lines, one with appointment, another without appointment. So as usual, we stood in the with appointment line, and then our turn came and we went to the first counter. And that counter, that lady who were the representative were there. She asked like, what's the purpose of your visit? And then she gave us one token number. Okay, and the same token number came in our mobile as a SMS. And then we were waiting for our turn to come. So there were so many big screens where it was flashing the token number and the counter number, etc. So when our turn came, then we went to the counter, and then the lady, whoever was behind the counter, she took all the documents. She verified our passport, our visa, our I-94, and then later she asked for two address proof. So we submitted our rental agreement and our T-Mobile internet bill, that is utility bill. So after taking all of this, she entered all the details in her system, and then later she asked us to pay the amount. And before paying the amount, she asked us to verify all the details which was coming in the screen. So we verified all the details which she entered, and then we signed. There was a digital signature option, so we signed the form, and then later we had to pay the amount. So for us it was $39. So we carried in cash, and then after giving that amount, and then she gave us one kind of receipt that they have received the amount. Okay, and then they sent us to a different section where they took our photograph. Okay, then once they took our photograph, then she said like, we are good to go home. So that's the overall process in the DMV office. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video informative and helpful, do consider subscribing this channel to get more informative videos like this. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to drink water.